Hello and welcome to Bforex.com Global Market Review. There was further negative news from the US yesterday. However, the dollar remained relatively solid all across the board as the market is currently very much dollar optimistic. The euro-dollar pair did manage to remain below the 1.40 level on the back of negative data. What was this negative data, you may ask? Negative US trade balance, much worse than expected. Also, the unemployment claims number also came out negative, indicating further weakness in the US labor sector. However, please bear in mind that later on in the day, the euro-dollar pair did manage to push up again above the 1.40 level. This is due to the fact that ECB President Trichet mentioned in his speech that inflation is still the key focus of the European Central Bank. Now let's go to Robert for a look at the commodities markets.
An interesting paradigm is broken out between gold and oil. Gold broke almost the 740 mark yesterday, finished the day about 750 an ounce, while oil hovered around $100. Oil did not go down completely because Hurricane Ike is making its way towards the Houston coast. Major refineries are in this area, about 20% of the refinery capacity in the United States. Exxon has its biggest refinery in the area in a place called Baytown, right outside of Houston. Look for this hurricane to affect oil prices, which in turn will hold up the gold price today, possibly on Monday also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Robert. Today is packed with key data from the US. Firstly, we have the core and headline retail sales numbers. Both these figures are forecasted to show a decline. Therefore, be interesting to watch how this impacts the US dollar. Also important to watch today, core and headline PPI figures. The PPI is the leading inflationary indicator. Usually, the cost of the producer passed on down to the consumer. So this could have a key inflationary implications, especially for the CPI numbers. Also important to watch today, the University of Michigan, the preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment number. This affects consumer sentiment. Very important to watch. Again, if we see any downside surprise here, we'll have put the brakes on the dollar bulls. However, this figure is forecast to show an increase. Any upside surprise here will again show stronger bullish dollar momentum. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again next week.